Hey guys, we're in our home here in Valencia, Philippines, and we're going to give you a tour of our home today that cost us $209 per month.
And let's get started!
Right now. Hi, I'm Monty Crew.
Hi, and I'm Argel Crew.
We're a married couple living in the Philippines.
We will be covering topics about everyday life here in the Philippines. So if you are planning to visit, move to, or retire here in the Philippines,
Tap that subscription button, tap that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything.
So, hi guys, this is our porch where we always sit here when we have a time. So I sat here and my husband sat here. Come on in. So this is our living room, our sala area. This is our TV and this is this one, I made this one last February 14, I gave it to my husband.
Wow, that was Valentine's, right?
Yes. And this is our kitchen area here, where we're going to cook always, all the time. And this is our table where we eat, and this is our freezer or refrigerator, microwave.
Yep.
Then this is our washing area here. I'm still going to wash this one later. And come on in. So this house have 2 bedrooms. So let's get started for the first bedroom first.
This is our guest room. It gets very little use except for the cats.
This is our guest room.
The cats like to hang out here.
And now let's go to our second bedroom. This is our bedroom.
The master bedroom, where the master is.
This is our bedroom. And we always turn on the AC because this room is very hot.
Yeah, the sun comes in the back window and just beats on this back corner. It gets very hot in here. There's our closet.
Our closet.
And we have a TV in here with a stand.
And now let's go to our restroom or CR. Here, this is our big restroom. So we can, if you want to visit her, you can lay down here.
Yeah, it's extra bedroom actually. One thing about the Philippines, the bathrooms are usually very, very small. And this one is a lot larger.
As you can see, I have my laundry here, so
yeah, she does laundry
here. Throw my hand, as we don't have a washing machine, so it's okay for me because I'm used to it.
I offered to take her to the laundromat, but she always says no.
No, it's very expensive.
I'll point out up here, this is our instant water heater. So we're going to take you outside now.
Look over there. That's our dog, Sawyer. Sawyer!
Hey Sawyer, what's up, buddy?
He is a golden retriever and he is 6 months. Garbage cans, where we put garbage, and this is my laundry. I just did laundry.
This is our Kimco motorbike. It's automatic. It's a 125, and it's very comfortable. Very nice bike.
Yeah, the first time we used it, it's very, very hard to control, but now, so we used to drive it, so it's very comfortable. Very heavy for the first time users.
We're back to the front. There's our swing set and our teeter-totter for the kids we don't have, but the nieces and nephews like to come over and play on it, so get some use. And we sit out here at night and have some nice conversations, or when she gets mad at me, that's where I come to and hang out. Thanks you for watching our tour of our home here. And again, it's $209 a month, which is 11,000 pesos.
It's more cheap here.
Yeah.
So please live here in the Philippines now.
Come find your new wife here in the Philippines.
Okay, guys, so please subscribe to our channel and click the bell below. Thank you so much.